Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by getting essential prerequisites out of the way. Make sure your phone has battery and a stable connection, then install Nugget Mobile. Once installed, open the app and allow required permissions so core features work. You should create or sign into your account now, enter your credentials, and complete verification with the 2FA code or email link. After sign-in, the app will perform an initial sync. Wait briefly for contacts and settings to appear before moving to configuration. Once done with sign-in, you jump into the app's core workflow. Navigate to the main feed and tap the Compose or Plus button to create your first nugget. You'll see templates and quick tools. Use them to add text, photos, or files. Select privacy level so you control who sees it. Make sure to adjust notifications and media quality in settings right arrow preferences, because upload speed and battery usage depend on those choices. Keep experimenting with a test nugget until navigation feels natural. To finish, publish your nugget and confirm it appears correctly in the feed. Use share options to send direct links or posts to groups. Once satisfied, enable backup and sync so your content updates across devices automatically, and check that recent items appear on another device. If something goes wrong, try the standard fixes first. Force close the app, clear the app cache, or reinstall. If issues persist, collect screenshots and logs. Then contact Nugget Mobile support for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.